Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add a touch of interactivity and style to your image sliders, you're in the right place. Today we'll show you how to add a hover effect to your image slider widget, making it even more engaging for your website visitors. Let's get started. First, navigate to the section Look and Feel, where you can customize the appearance of your image slider. Once you're in the Look and Feel section, scroll down until you find the Carousel style. Here you'll see an option labeled Hover Effect. This is where you can add animations to each image in your slider. When a user hovers over an image, it will be animated in a certain way, adding a dynamic touch to your slider. There are various hover effects to choose from, and selecting the right one can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your image slider. Each effect adds its own unique flair. Once you've made your choice, make sure to save your changes. So don't forget to click that Save button. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.